in Home Channel Store Design. Today's segment is on wall colors, wall paint and colors. Now I have to admit that this is one that I actually struggle a little bit myself because there are just so many choices and everyone seems to have an opinion. But basically color choices really depend on your product selection. Warm and what you're trying to create is a warm and inviting environment. It's usually safe to go with soft colors, especially on your walls for apparel or gift applications. I personally like to use bold and dark colors on soffits and ceiling areas to bring the eye level down. And of course you always want to remember in your color selection that you want to coordinate your carpet and selection as well as your fixture finishes. All of this should be coordinated. And if you remember back to when we talked about your floor plan, I usually like to see a sample of your carpet and a chip of your finish on your floor plan so that it's always right there in full view so that as you select your colors you can see how they blend. I like to keep color selection to no more than 3. This avoids what I call the carnival look. Soft, light colors on the walls, dark, bold colors on the soffits and borders. And then what we do is then get into what we call interior or feature colors. Now, for example, crystal looks great with a black background. Christmas merchandise usually looks great with a red or a green. Garden, yellow or green. In these particular cases, you can take and introduce additional colors into your store either by painting a small panel area where you're going to feature this product, or you can suspend solid colored fabric, which I did in my own stores many times, from a rod. This will definitely give you the flexibility of adding colors without really going to a lot of trouble. And then you can just roll it up when you're done and use it in another section of the store or just bring it out next year. So basically always remember that in color selection you want to keep your color selection to a minimum of 3. You don't want to have any more than 3 overall colors in your store. Less is always better than more when it comes to color selection. Thank you. I hope this has been informative and we look forward to the next segment.